I used to believe that there was one magical formula for getting rich. That if I just followed the right steps, I could unlock financial freedom and wealth. But after reading 40 books on wealth, business, and financial success, I discovered something far more profound, and I'm about to share it with you. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today, I'm going to share with you the ultimate secret to getting rich. Something I learned after reading 40 books on wealth. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications, because this video could change the way you think about wealth forever. It all started with a simple question: what does it really take to get rich? Is there one secret, one magic pill that will unlock financial freedom? Or is it a combination of things? So, I went on a quest to find the answer. I read book after book, looking for the key insight that would finally click. In my first few books, I noticed some consistent themes, things like the importance of mindset, hard work, and taking calculated risks. But I didn't feel like I was getting closer to the secret. So I kept going, diving deeper into the personal stories of entrepreneurs and investors who made their fortunes. Quick flash of books like The Millionaire Mind, by Thomas Stanley, The 4-Hour Workweek, by Tim Ferriss, and The Psychology of Money, by Morgan Housel. The deeper I went, the more it became clear wealth isn't just about making money. It's about how you think, how you approach problems, and how you manage your time and resources. And here's the first lesson I learned. Poor mindset versus wealthy mindset. The poor mindset focuses on scarcity, while the wealthy mindset focuses on abundance. The wealthy think differently. It's not just about accumulating cash or investing in stocks. It's about how they see the world. Wealthy people think in terms of abundance, not scarcity. They see opportunities where others see obstacles. Take, for example, Richard Branson. He didn't just build Virgin Airlines. He built a mindset around experimentation, innovation, and constant learning. He wasn't afraid to fail because he knew failure is just a stepping stone to success. When you adopt this mindset, you start to think like a wealthy person. And that's where it begins. One of the most important lessons I learned is that wealthy people never see money as the goal. Instead, they see it as a tool to create more value for others, to build businesses, and to solve problems. This brings me to lesson number 2. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's a long-term game. Warren Buffett says, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. The key to becoming wealthy is to think long-term. After reading books like The Intelligent Investor and Principles by Ray Dalio, I realized that building wealth requires you to delay gratification. It's about making decisions that pay off over time, not expecting instant rewards. Look at Jeff Bezos and Amazon. He didn't build one of the biggest companies in the world by focusing on short-term profits. He was focused on reinvesting profits into the business for years. By being patient, he transformed Amazon from a small online bookstore into a trillion-dollar empire. So if you're serious about getting rich, you need to adopt this long-term perspective. Whether it's investing, starting a business, or building your personal brand, you have to stay in the game and not chase quick wins. Compound interest is one of the most powerful financial principles you can master. Albert Einstein famously called it the 8th wonder of the world. When you understand how money grows exponentially over time, it's like unlocking a cheat code for wealth. Books like The Richest Man in Babylon and Rich Dad Poor Dad really drilled this point into my head. The key takeaway is that wealth isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter and letting time work for you. By consistently investing in assets that appreciate over time, like real estate, stocks, and even your own skills, you'll be amazed at how your wealth can grow with little to no effort after the initial input. Cut to clips of different ways people are making money running an online business, investing in real estate, creating content, etc. One of the key strategies I learned is the importance of diversifying your income. Wealthy people never rely on just one stream of income. They build multiple sources of revenue, whether that's through investments, businesses, or side hustles. This was something I learned from books like The Millionaire Next Door and Unscripted, by M.J. DeMarco. Having multiple income streams allows you to create a safety net and gives you the freedom to explore bigger opportunities without fear of losing. It's not about working harder, it's about building systems that generate income passively. When you focus on building multiple streams, your wealth grows more predictably and consistently. Taking risks is essential to building wealth. But it's not about taking reckless risks, it's about calculated risks. Successful entrepreneurs and investors are constantly weighing the potential rewards against the risks and making decisions accordingly. I learned from books like The Lean Startup by Eric Ries and 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel that innovation and wealth creation often come from taking bold actions. You can't sit on the sidelines forever and expect wealth to come to you. You have to take that first step, even if it's uncomfortable. So, after reading 40 books on wealth, what's the secret to getting rich? It's about mindset, patience, long-term thinking, compound interest, multiple income streams, and taking calculated risks. But above all, it's about taking action. Knowledge alone won't make you rich, it's the application of that knowledge that creates true wealth. If you want to become wealthy, you need to start thinking differently and taking the right steps today. The journey isn't easy, but it's worth it. So get out there, start applying these principles, and watch your wealth grow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth content on wealth, success, and personal finance. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building your wealth.